SAP Analytics Cloud, a quick overview of the story and your dashboard. I'm using on screen to record the steps. So the first step is to click on for your settings, is you click on the little icon of your person. And you can change that to an image if you upload an image. And you click on profile. Normally in the profile settings, when you go to edit with the pencil icon, you can upload an image to change your avatar, but not on the free trial version. So once you make the changes to these parameters, then you just click on save to save those changes. And after that, then you click on the close button. And those are some of the settings you can adjust. There's other things you can change under the navigation button up here. You can go into your connection settings, your account settings, your system about to see what version you're using, to create objects like stories. So this is a good quick overview of what SAC is, the acronym, SAP Analytics Cloud. So you can create models, which is where you can have data flow through and get cleansed and analyzed, and then models can also feed stories. So the most basic use of SAC is the story. And so you can have end users, that's all they see, that they just see the story. So we'll start from there to explore a sample story. And if you want to have your own copy of SAC, you can go and create your own account. You have a 30 or 90-day trial. So when I hit explore a sample story, it brings up the storyboard of the sample data from the sample model. And it's very interactive. Like you can do things like you can move this little toggle to see what year you want to look at or start from, and then the charts and all that update. These little toggles allow you to control what you want to see. You can use the drop-down filters to control what you want to see. If I don't want to see Pepsi, but I want to see the other ones. So a lot of the objects, these charts and tables and things, are interactive. So this is just one of the pages on the story. You can have multiple pages. You can even have as slides and export as PDF or export as a actual PowerPoint slideshow. But this is very interactive as a dashboard. So the analysis is another page on this story where it has things like the geo map. So your data can feed maps, and you have these toggles to change what you want to look at and how you want to see. And these little buttons, 3 buttons here, are to change. You want to go full screen or have control over your view. Now you can also go to edit, where you, as the owner of the story, you can actually edit and modify things. Like if you don't like the way the map looks, you can edit this story and change the map. You can make the map so it is a different type of map. Like you can have it like actual with topography, like the roads and so on. In Designer, you have a lot of options, and that's where you can see, like, I don't want this type of imagery. I can change that to say, instead of seeing it that way, I want to see it like a heat map. And this is all data driven. So what you pick in your filters and in your data will change. The data will change. And your base map you can modify if you want streets or topography. So that's a builder. And the painter, the paintbrush, allows you to control colors and borders and fonts, font sizes and so on. So that's the designer controls. The other controls are controlling objects on that screen. And then, of course, view, the standard view. The sales manager is another page on this story. So this story has the three pages, and this one is also very similar, that you can toggle what you don't want to see. So the table adjusts and this adjusts. You can also click on things. If I click on, say, David, it highlights him, and the other ones go sort of faded. But then when you hover over one of the other ones, it shows a comparison. It automatically shows you useful information. And if I click on that again, I see everybody. Let's go back to this and go back to home. Home is your main dashboard. So that's a quick overview of stories. So create an account and then start playing with the stories that come with the account. It comes with a lot of sample data. And you can create your own story and then feed data right to the story, like from an Excel spreadsheet or whatever. But you can also create a model And the model is where you can manipulate the data, cleanse the data, and create custom fields, calculations, and so on. Have a good day.